Introducing the original Wild G, the best-selling soft and flexible G-spot vibrator with 3 tiers of prongs for maximum clitoral stimulation. This arouser with a curved head flexes and moves with you. It has 3 speeds of vibration, 3 speeds of non-jamming rotating beads, and a reversible head rotation. The Wild G's erotically designed shaft is 5 inches long and 1 3/4 inches wide and is made of a safe and pure material. The triple-pronged clitoral stimulator is 2.5 inches long and 2 inches wide. The end cap is made of a safe and pure plastic, and the beads are the same material, silver-plated. Use this powerful and stylish massager for G-spot and clitoral stimulation. It's easy to use. The buttons on the left side of the end cap control the 3 speeds of shaft and bead rotation. The buttons on the right control the 3 speeds of clitoral vibration. Press the top button to reverse the shaft rotation. The original Wild G uses 3 AA batteries in an easy load battery pack and is available in pink or purple. It's also waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Wild G with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. For the ultimate in clitoral and G-spot stimulation, go for a wild ride with the original Wild G.